Well, hello and welcome. And this will be like my first video that I will do in English. All my channel is in Spanish, so I think that this will be a good idea. I don't know what you're gonna think in the comments below. So basically, I'm here just to tell you like a little bit. Yes, it's going to be like a little review about a Linux Mint 20. I am working, if you do not know, I am working on a 2008 MacBook Pro. And as you see, I am running. Oops, I forgot that I was starting up the Steam. As you see, I'm running on a MacBook Pro of 2008. I am using the kernel Find.4 in Linux Mint 20, and this will have only a Intel Core 2 Duo. It's about at 2.60 gigahertz, and also it has an NVIDIA GeForce graphic cards with 6 gigabytes of RAM. Before it was about 4 gigabytes of RAM, but after a little update so I can basically edit some of my videos and also can I record the screen, everything is going fine. I am really sorry about this. So basically, I am gonna tell you, as you were able to see on the screen, I don't know why I closed the terminal window. I will start each tab here right now because I am basically with Steam open and I am all, as you see, I am recording the screen. Most of the time, the CPU it's going. I don't know. I still have like a good. For me, it's a decent. Thinking in mind that this is a 2008 MacBook Pro of only 2 cores, obviously, and I am only using 1.14 gigabytes of RAM right now, and that is because I have the Steam open. So basically, do I miss something about because I was using a Windows 10 on this MacBook Pro because I thought that it's gonna be like better. So to try like to um, restore this old laptop, but God, it was a horrible mistake. Do I miss something right now since Little works out of the box basically? It has also the Office packages. This is in Spanish as you can see, but I am like trying to stay this in English so you can help. And out of that box, I have LibreOffice, that is will be the substitution for Microsoft Word. There is a video and sound where you can find basically Rhythmbox and Celluloid. That Celluloid will be like the MP3 player and also the video player on this Linux distribution. We have basically graphics, we have like a drawing, a scan documents and pics that will be like to show and organize your images. We have internet with Thunderbird as your email client. We have HexChat. Basically, we have Firefox, and here I have download and install Skype, Steam, TeamViewer, and also we have transmission for torrents. We have the configuration in the software package manager. Do I miss something here in the distribution? Obviously not. For those who say that there aren't games for Linux, basically I have one file here that it's basically games. If we translate into English, I have basically 6 games here. Later I will do a video for these, but I do not miss anything because here with Linux Mint 20, I was able to basically edit some of my videos that I have on my channel with a very good quality. Obviously, I'm not gonna like um, or if you're gonna like try to have a good resolution with those effects and all the animations, transitions, stuff like that, that will be a bullshit if, well, we are thinking that I am running an Intel Core Duo or 2 Duo. I don't know how you're gonna spell that in English really. Um, but basically, I have added some software. You can see I have added OBS Studio. I am not basically using anything of RAM, only the CPU that is a little bit like well, overused, we're gonna say that, but it's totally normal because I still can open Firefox, I can still go to YouTube, load some web pages, I can also be working on LibreOffice, on LibreOffice Writer, writing up some documents. I have the Steam open right now, I can really play a game. I don't miss any game because since Steam has, okay, 1 second, this is downloading something. Okay, I'm gonna pause this. Here I have some um, games that are for Linux, sorry, for Windows. But they work pretty fine on Linux. I'm sorry, you need to remember that I am working basically 2008 MacBook Pro. It takes a little bit of time with the HDD so we can load some applications, but I didn't have anything like to miss to Windows. I don't have anything to compare. It's basically better for this computer. I feel really good with it. And for those who say that Linux cannot have games on it, I think that there are a lot of YouTube videos that you're gonna find over the internet saying that with Steam and with Jump, some tweaks about like going to settings and then going to Steam Play, and then you're gonna enable Steam Play for all the other titles, and you're gonna start with Proton 5.0-9. You're gonna press OK, you're gonna restart, and basically most of the games that only are for basically Windows or Mac OS, we're gonna still work here on Linux with even with a better refresh rate and also more fluent and all that. So we're gonna close all this. Um, this will be like a little review of myself. I don't know how we're gonna take that, but basically I really love Linux Mint. I switched from Windows to this. I am a student, I'm a university student, so I have basically every software that I need here out of the box. I don't need to basically configure anything here just to keep the system updated. I have my privacy settings set up. I am able to run the terminal that I am only use it sometimes, like if you're going to be like a software engineer student or something like that. But for most of the people here, you're gonna see that, well, basically, most of the software you can be find on the software packager, like Synaptic, or the store, or you can directly download it from the Firefox. So you don't have anything to miss on Linux. You can see that it's very fun. And I forgot to say that this is Linux Cinnamon Edition. It's a little bit heavier, so but with XFCE, it will run, I think, smoothly. So I will say like here just to test a little bit about this. I'll wait for your comments down below of the video, and if you like it, please subscribe and thumbs up to the video. See you later.